Whoa! Wow! Hello everyone! I am Da-chan. Today we are going to play with the Anpanman Sushi Conveyor Belt Set. Yay! Let's open the sushi restaurant together. Here comes a lot of sushis. They look yummy. Shrimp, egg, tuna. I want to have it. Woo! Oh, and then also, I should set this checkout counter register here. Okay. Wow, this is a frog. Frog, yeah. It says the fresh sushi fair. Woo! Okay. And make that frog stand here. Ooh, that's cool, right? Yeah. Ooh, don't forget that teacup. Yes. Set here. Okay. Good. And put the Anpanman here. Hello, Anpanman. And here is menu. Here's the menu. Then put the Baikiman at the tea section. Okay, we all set. Let's start the Anpanman Sushi Restaurant. Hello, I'm hungry. May I have some sushi, please? Oh, welcome, Anpanman. What would you like today? I'll take tuna sushi. Okay, Anpanman. I give you tuna sushi. Wait a second. Here's your tuna sushi. Thank you. Yummy. Thank you. Yummy. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum. Anpanman, would you like anything else? I like egg sushi. Anpanman, great choice. Here it comes. Thank you. Yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. So nice. Yay. Oh, there's sushi restaurant. Looks good. Hi, Melon Panna. How are you today? Hi, Da-chan. How are you? Yeah, I'm good, good. So, what sushi do you want today? I want something sweet. Something sweet. How about this one? I give you this. Wow! Happy! This is pudding! Yes! Go ahead! Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. It's so sweet and it's delicious! Ha-hee-hoo, he-ho! Hey, I want all the sushi! Ooh. Oh no, Baikiman! Hey, give me the all sushi! Ha ha ha! You can't take everything, Baikiman! But I'm so hungry! I want a tuna, salmon, shrimp, egg, everything! Ha ha ha! Oh, okay. But how about let's start shrimp and salmon? Okay, I take those. Oh, Okay, please have a seat. Please have a seat here, Mikey-man.
Okay. The tuna looks good.
Yum, 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 yum.
I want a tuna too.
Okay, here comes shrimp and salmon. Are you good now?
Okay, let's start with salmon and shrimp. So yummy! Yummy, it's delicious, dear. Delicious! Yum, yum, yum.
But I want everything. I want everything. Give me your tuna sushi. What? Okay, let's share. Let's share tuna sushi. That's more fun. Yes, sharing is fun. That's right. You guys can enjoy sushi together, okay? Yes. Ha 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 ha. Yay. Do you know how to make sushi? Do you know what we need for making sushi? Yes. First, we need fish. That's right. Woo! Fish, fish, fish. And one more thing. Yes. We need a rice. Yes, the rice. Okay, let's prepare fish first. Please be careful when you use a knife because it's sharp. So let's start cutting fish. Ooh. Yeah. And then yes. So this fish meat turn to Jan. Put fish on the rice. Diddy! Yes, I made sushi. Oh, the color. What's the color? The color is red. Oh, next sushi. The color is orange. Yes, this color is orange. This is shrimp. Shrimp. Yeah. Have you seen the shrimp? Yeah, shrimp lives also in the water. Yeah. Shrimp. 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 The color is white and orange. White and orange. So next, I'm gonna make egg. Huh? The egg? Yes, this is egg. Okay, use the pan. And then so I put egg on the rice. I made egg sushi. What's the color of this sushi? Yes, yellow. This color is yellow. Here comes Anpanman sushi. Yeah. And then also this is Anpanman shaped inari. Yeah, we call the oinari-san, right? Okay, set. Wow, this is salmon roll. You know salmon roll? This is salmon's egg. Salmon's egg? Wow, salmon's egg. Okay, I set next to salmon. Okay, do you see what flavor this juice is? This is apple juice. This is apple juice. And this is orange juice. I love orange juice. Yeah. That was so much fun at Anpanman Sushi Shop. Thank you for playing with us. So, see you next time. Bye.